Hey, it's Katie bringing you today's deal on the Hurricane Fur Wizard. Now, if you have any pets at home, you know how annoying it is to walk out of the house covered in pet hair. Well, this is going to help take care of that problem. Let's take a look at the commercial.
Introducing the Hurricane Fur Wizard, an all-new extra-large lint brush that picks up fur and lint with ease. Then cleans up instantly with a self-cleaning base. Fur Wizard is faster because of the double-sided action. It cleans up twice as much in half the time of other lint brushes. Plus, cleanup's a breeze. With just one dip, both sides are cleaned up quick. Watch again as Fur Wizard quickly and easily gets the mess left behind from shedding pets. Then back into the base to clean the face, and it's ready again to put lint in its place. The secret is the thousands of micro-bristles that act like fingers grabbing every last piece of fur or fuzz. Then the self-cleaning base uses its own micro-bristles to brush Fur Wizard clean. And just remove the base clip to empty. So now you can pick up what you can't see from a pillow filled with fur. Or sweep your furry friend's mess from your blankets and sheets. Even clean up the bed where he's supposed to sleep. Regular lint brushes are hard to clean, but with just a dip, Fur Wizard cleans up quick. So clean the lint off your pants with ease. Even tidying up your car seats becomes a breeze. Heavy vacuums are such a nuisance, but Fur Wizard's quick for so many uses. Look, a tape roller needs so many sheets to clean this sofa, while just a few swipes of Fur Wizard easily cleans the entire surface. No refills are ever needed. Use it over and over again. Get your Hurricane Fur Wizard with the self-cleaning base today.
Now, what they don't mention in the commercial is that aside from the standard size, you also get one for travel as well. So it's perfect to keep with you in a backpack, purse, or even your desk at work. You may have already seen these on TV, but not at this low of a price. So you're going to want to grab some for your house and even your car. So head on over to our site and grab yours today.